Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make circular ripple on Funimate. Want this? Alright, let's start. First go to groups and pick your first clip. Now go to transform and scale it so it will fit. Now add your second clip. Scale it so it will fit the screen, just like earlier. Now go to your second clip and opacity. Add keyframe both start and end. Start 0 and 100. Click the check. Add the effect colored circular ripple. Frequency 10. At the strength, add keyframe start, middle and end. Start 0, middle 25, end 0. Add graph between middle and last keyframe. Copy mine. Now go to phase and add keyframe both start and end. Start 0, end -10. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss my tutorials.